Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For more Python tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Today in this video, I am going to tell about how to check whether a file exists or not using Python. Okay, first open a Python terminal. Okay. First I am going to show you all the files and directories in this path. Okay, ls. These are all the files and directories in this Python folder. Okay, now I am going to open Python terminal. Okay, for checking whether a file exists or not, we have to import the module os. Okay, now I am going to check that this file factorial.py is exist or not. Okay, actually I don't know, but in the factorial.py, in this folder, in this directory Python, okay, os.path.exists. In that braces we have to enter this file name in quotes. Don't forget to put quotes. True, it means the file factorial.py in this current working path. Okay, and os.path.exists it check only its current working directory. Okay, now I am going to check another file that does not in this directory. Renamed that file. Okay, it's false. This file does not exist in this directory called Python. Okay, using os.path.exists and put in that braces for the file that we want to check. In this way we can check whether a file exists or not in Python. If you like my video, please subscribe for more Python tutorial. Thank you.